the autumn of 1958, spectators at the annual meeting of the Society of British Aircraft Constructors at Farnborough witnessed a jet age still in its nascent state. The fastest British aircraft of the day and the latest innovations in aviation technology could be examined both on the ground and overhead. Proven military aircraft like the Hawker Hunter, prototypes like the Short SC-1 and the Fairey Rotordyne flew alongside the newest passenger aircraft, high-speed jets, and the latest in helicopter technology. Fairey Aviation displayed 2 rotary-winged aircraft that year at Farnborough. Each of these, they hoped, would bring them a share of the helicopter market. The aircraft seen here is their ultralight, unique among aircraft of its day. A stainless steel underfin mounted in the efflux of its engine provided yaw control. The turbine engine did not drive its rotor through a gearbox. Instead, air ducted from the engine was combined with kerosene and burned at the end of each rotor blade. Fairey called this tip jet power, and it produced the thrust that powered the rotor.